What's inside that black box? Surprise, it's full of math. And on our menu today, we are going to meet the flavor, rather than the equations, of a whole bunch of algorithms. But here's how we're going to do it. Right now, I'm going to introduce you to this one, and my goal is to set your thinking about these algorithms. What are the important ideas here? And then later, when 90% of you have fled and gone home or went to play outside, at the very end of the course, after we've covered the end-to-end applied machine learning stuff, we're going to look at all of those. So let's dive in. Regression was first used in 1805 by Legendre, who doesn't have a nice painting of him on Wikipedia, so I picked the one for the second person to use it in 1807, Gauss. So that's more than 200 years ago. This has been around for a really long time, and it's still a really popular standard approach to machine learning today. So let's have a